Just for a little while.
Nobody saw. It's okay.
We just need a birthday card today, and maybe a small gift for Grandma.
Can I look around a little?
Sure, but stay close to us.
Mom, look at this bracelet. It's so pretty.
It is very pretty, sweetie.
Can we get it, please?
Not today, Lily. We're only buying a card.
Dad, please, just this one time?
I know you love it, but not today.
I would take such good care of it.
I believe you, but the answer is still no.
Why do you look so sad, Lily?
I'm not sad. I'm just thinking.
You're thinking about that bracelet, aren't you? Maybe. Stop watching me, Ben. This one has a lovely flower on it.
I like this one too, simple and sweet.
What about this one? It has a cat. Good idea, Ben. Grandma loves cats.
I'll just look one more time. It won't hurt to look. If only it could be mine. No one is even looking right now. Just for a little while.
Nobody saw. It's okay.
That's everything, thank you. Thank you, have a lovely day.
Lily, come on, we're heading out.
Coming, Mom.
Why are you walking so funny? I'm not walking funny. Stop looking at me. Okay, you're being weird today. Did you two enjoy the shop today?
I like the toy animals. It was fine.
You're quiet today, Lily. Everything okay?
I'm okay, Dad. Just a little tired.
All right, sweetie. Rest if you need to.
We'll be home soon, everyone. Lily, wait for us, please.
I just really need my room. She's acting so strange today.
Let's give her a little space.
It's just as pretty as I remembered. But why doesn't it feel good to hold it? What is that jingling sound? That almost sounds like the bracelet from the shop.
Where did you get a bracelet like that? I don't have to tell you everything. I think you're hiding something, Lily. Just leave me alone, Ben. Mom, Lily has something strange in her room. What do you mean, Ben? It sounds just like the bracelet from the shop. I'll go talk to her. Thank you for telling me. Truth, honest, trust. Truth, honest, trust. Those are important words. Lily, can I come in?
Sure, Mom.
Ben said he heard something jingling in here.
It's nothing, Mom. Just my hair clips.
Lily, what is that under your pillow?
It's nothing important.
It looks like it's sparkling.
May I see it?
Lily, this is the bracelet from the shop.
A stranger gave it to me.
A stranger gave you an expensive bracelet for free?
Yes, he was just being kind.
What's going on in here?
Lily has the bracelet from the shop today.
Lily, that story about a stranger does not sound true.
It is true, Dad.
I just told Mom what I heard, Lily.
You always want me to get in trouble.
That's not true. I was worried about you.
Let's all stay calm and talk this through.
Lily, look at me, please. Did you take this bracelet from the shop?
I was going to give it back. That is not what you told us before. I took it. I put it in my bag.
Oh, Lily.
I was scared to tell you.
Being scared does not make it okay to lie.
I wanted it so much I couldn't stop thinking about it.
Wanting something does not make taking it right.
I know that now. I made a bad choice.
We're glad you can say that, Lily.
I'm sorry I said you wanted me in trouble.
I just didn't want you to hide things from us.
You were right to tell Mom.
I'm glad you told the truth now, Lily. Tomorrow, we will return this to Mr. Coleman.
And you will tell him the truth yourself, Lily. I understand. I will tell him everything.
That's a brave choice, Lily.
Tomorrow I have to be brave. I hope Mr. Coleman will understand.
Are you ready, Lily? I'm nervous, but yes, I'm ready.
We'll be right there with you.
You can do this, Lily. I can see the shop already.
Take a deep breath, sweetie.
Okay, I'm ready to tell the truth.
We're proud of you already, Lily.
Good morning. Back again so soon? Good morning. We need to speak with you.
Lily has something to tell you.
Of course. I'm listening.
I took this bracelet yesterday without paying.
I'm very sorry, Mr. Coleman.
Thank you for telling me the truth, Lily.
I understand if you're upset with me.
I am glad you brought it back yourself. When something is taken, the shop loses more than money.
What else does it lose? It loses a little bit of trust, just like at home.
Would you like to help me tidy the shelves today?
Yes, I would like that very much.
That would help make things right.
Thank you for giving me a chance.
You're doing a wonderful job, Lily.
I like making the shelves look neat.
You're really good at this, Lily.
Thanks, Ben. I'm glad you're here.
Why do you think honesty matters so much?
Because when I lied, everyone felt sad.
That's exactly right, Lily.
Telling the truth feels much better now. All done! It looks so nice now.
You did excellent work, Lily.
Thank you for letting me help.
Thank you for being honest and brave today. Here, a little treat for your honest heart.
Thank you so much, Mr. Coleman. That's very kind of you.
We appreciate your understanding today.
Goodbye, Mr. Coleman. Thank you again.
Goodbye, Lily. Come visit anytime.
That was really brave of you, Lily. It felt scary, but also good.
I'm so proud of you, Lily. That took real courage today.
I'm proud of myself too, a little. Me too. You did the right thing.
Wanting something is never wrong, Lily. But taking it without asking is always wrong.
I understand that now, Dad. And if the answer is no, we accept it together.
Trust takes time to rebuild, Lily.
I will earn it back, I promise.
Saying sorry is the first step, not the last.
I understand. I'll show you with my choices. Sorry, honest, brave. Sorry, honest, brave. Those words matter every single day.
This has been quite a day, hasn't it?
A day we'll all remember. I learned a lot today. Me too. I'm glad you told the truth, Lily. I thought taking it would make me happy, but it only made everyone sad. Now I know honesty matters more than any bracelet.
Good night, my brave girl.
Good night, Mom. I love you.
We love you too, always.
Tomorrow I'll make even better choices.
I think she really understands now.
I'm proud of how she handled it today.
Mistakes can teach the best lessons sometimes.
As long as we're there to guide her.
Good morning, everyone. You seem so happy today, Lily. I feel light, like a weight is gone.
That's what honesty feels like, sweetheart.